Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to build Invoice trackers using Notion in 2025 so you can stay on top of payments and keep your finances organized. The fastest way is to start with an Invoice tracker template from Notion Gallery or community. Most already include a table with fields like client name, invoice number, amount, due date, statute, and payment method. Duplicate it into your workspace and customize it. Next, update the template with your own categories like tagging invoices as paid, pending, or overdue. You can also add formulas to automatically calculate totals, outstanding balances, or monthly revenue. Attach files like PDF invoices directly to each entry and link them to related pages for easy access. This way, all your financial records stay in one system instead of scattered across folders. For automation, you can connect tools like Stripe, PayPal, or QuickBooks with Notion using Zapier or Make. This lets new payments or invoices automatically log in into your database. With an invoice tracker in Notion, you will reduce errors, save time, and always know where your money stands. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.